Hey guys, I hope that you all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make $10 transition on Vegas Pro. A lot of people like this software more than other video editing software, so I thought that it will be useful to show you how to do cool effects on it. So let's start.
Your ass, you ain't too big to get touched. Pick up the snack. Now ain't no time to.
First, as you see here, I have the footage that I got from Pexels, a useful site for free footage and pictures. So here I need my transition, so now I need to get my green screen dollar. To apply this effect now you just need to remove the green from it correctly. Here is how I do it, and here you go. Now you have a cool transition. Also you can add SFX to it. Drop a like and subscribe to support the channel. The $10 transition is in the description. You can find more free on YouTube, or you can get a paid one from other websites like iStock and Synpacks.